All right, let's go over here and we're gonna draw that scene where Supersonic destroys Robotnik's robots. So we're gonna draw Supersonic over here. I'm gonna actually turn his head a little bit though. So right here, I'm gonna draw a line right here for the kind of the bottom of the eye. Curve right here for the bottom of the mouth. Okay, because normally you just see the back of his head, but I'm gonna turn his head a little bit so you can actually see him. Curve down. Out over here, down. So we have this kind of nose sticking out there. And we're gonna curve right there. You're gonna see his eye. He's gonna look down at this like destroyed mech that Robotnik had. Down. And curve back here for his mouth. Got that mouth area curved down. And like, this is like the ending of the movie. So, I mean, everybody's watching this video seeing the movie though. So, like the end of Sonic 2. Line down for the ear. Inner ear. Draw like his mouth over here. We could draw like a smile, or we can draw like kind of like a serious face. We could draw like a line there, like, whoa, what happened? It's kind of up to interpretation, right? It's over here, and I'm gonna go up, down, and then over here, up, down, up, down. His spikes are essentially up, you know? Very Dragon Ball, you know? And back here. And now we're going to draw his body that they have, you know, literally in the movie, which is curve over here for kind of the arm. His arm is bent, like so. If you watch a Sonic movie, let me know. Of course, hopefully you did. Line over here. In. Up. Line over here, back. Line over here. Down. Curve back, in. Wrist. Curve, wrist. Over here. Thumb. Line. Over here for the knuckle, right? That first part of the fist there. Right here, pulling in. Right there, his hand's right there. And he's midair, right? He's flying midair. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull back. And you can kind of throw these zigzag lines because he is supposed to be furry, but you know, it's didn't quite do it as much as I could. But because it's not as close up, so you're not gonna see it as much. Curve right there for the top of the sock. Down over here. Down. Curve. Down over here. Down over here. Up right there, so you see the bottom of that shoe. We're gonna show the shoe, the bottom plane, curve right here, pull in. Line, line, right there. Curve right here, curve right here. And if you want, you can maybe throw like some lines right here on the bottom of the shoe to show like a tread. Okay, go over here. Front leg, down. Curve for the top of the sock here. Top of the sock. Line over here. Back. Curve. Line underneath here. Curve, curve. Now let's find his backhand over here. He's gonna have his backhand over here. Line, line, up, oh, you know, for the lower part of the hand. Curve. And then we're gonna find the kind of glove over here. We're gonna try to draw it smaller because it is further away. And then just kind of a ball for his fist for the most part on that side. And he does have some sparks coming off him. You could draw that. If you want, you can also draw like a Dragon Ball type glow around him. You don't really have to, but you could totally do it because in the movie, you know, he's glowing that color and it's hard to portray that in line art. But, okay, we got him. Now let's draw this dead robot, okay, on the floor. And it's supposed to be far away. So let's just, we're going to do something to it. We're going to have it overlap a little bit here. Should we have it overlap? Yeah, actually, we'll see how it goes. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to just simplify this guy. Curve over here. Curve down. He's got like a big kind of round part for the center portion of his body, of his torso. Curve here. Well, we're gonna simplify it. Let me see. Line out. Line out. Out over here. Out over here. Curve out. And I'm going to kind of run it over here into Sonic just a bit because I want to make it look like he's behind there. So he's looking at this big dead robot, right? And then I'm just going to curve right here, simplify the shapes initially, and then I can break them up. So right here on this side, same thing. Line over here. Curve over here on this side. Line. Line. And then let's do the other shoulder. Because I think his, in the movie, his arms are like cut off or something, right? So curve over here on this side. Down. Or they're damaged or badly damaged. Over here. And then we can draw like the extra part of that arm that is also sliced into like, like I don't know what. But so far, you have this very simplistic shape, right? And let's kind of break it up. So we're going to go curve down, curve up here. Curve up here, over here, down, line over here, line over here, down, 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 down. Just gonna break it up, this robot. Line over here on this side. Line down up for the tack. line, line, over here, line over here, line below. Same thing over here, just kind of breaking up the boot into just chunks to make it look like some sort of tech, right? Like the knee joint, down over here, up. Like there. And you just kind of keep going like that forever, you know, because the tech right there, you don't have to copy the exact tech. You can just kind of like figure it, you know, kind of draw circles here like there was wires there. You're just kind of adding on more and more and more because the robot is like the one from the movie is like so complex. It's like you'd have to really dig into it. So that's not, you know, for this short drawing, we're not going to do that. But we have something like that. And then, yeah, that could be it right there, really. He's just right there, and he just defeated this giant robot with Robotnik in it. If there's another scene from Sonic, by the way, you want me to do, let me know. I will totally make it happen. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a bold line around him because he's closer to the camera. I want to make it obvious that he is too by doing this. Right? You could probably put it around both too, but he is supposed to be in the background, so that's one reason why I'm putting a little bit of a thicker line around, because we're playing with line here, right? And I think it'd be a good idea to do that with Sonic. And you draw like the pupil, the iris right there, yeah. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for this scene from Sonic 2. Share the video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you next time, all right? Talk to you soon. Keep it arty.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.